Horses out, we have Cash, fast to begin, moving up party outside now, Grand Dynasty, Queen Cuba, Heaven's Image, unfolding Sant Anthony, then comes Caloocan's Pride, and Dane Hill Joy is the early trailer, going along for the first turn, Cash, she's a length and a half in front of Queen Cuba, Grand Dynasty, moving up party outside third, 2 lengths for the back in fourth, Heaven's Image, then comes Sant Antonia, unfolding Caloocan's Pride, and too far behind this, Dane Hill Joy. They swing into the back, and it's still Cash, Bayaraneka. Queen Cuba is on the outside second, racing in third is Grand Dynasty, Heaven's Image, Sant Antonia, unfolding Caloocan's Pride. Queen Cuba now takes the lead, running by the release, Cash. Heaven's Image now coming closer on the outside second. Together is Sant Anthony down on the inside. As they come down to the last 150. The lead now belongs to Heaven's Image by about 2.5 lengths. Sant Anthony, Queen Cuba, Caloocan's Pride. Last 100 meters, we have Heaven's Image now strides away and says goodbye, boy. And finally, it's Heaven's Image. Sant Anthony, Caloocan's Pride, Queen Cuba, unfolding Cash.
Lalabas yung 2, no?